How can I transfer my Spaylater balance to my Gcash account? That is very easy and important for you. To transfer Spaylater to your Gcash, what you have to do is simply follow some steps to initiate this process. Users need to create a Spaylater account. This involves providing necessary personal information and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once the Spaylater account is set up, user gain access to a credit limit for their purchases. Now, how to integrate the Spaylater with Gcash is a very straightforward process. Users can connect their Spaylater account to Gcash by navigating to the settings menu. Select payment method and adding Spaylater as a linked account. The seamless connection facilitates easy transaction between two platforms. How to make it? So, firstly, open the Gcash app and ensure sufficient funds are available in it. Then select the pay bill option. Then choose loans as the biller category. Then locate Spaylater in the list of loan providers. Enter the required payment details, including the amount and Spaylater account information. Confirm the transaction and receive a notification once the payment is successful. Thank you so much for watching it.